Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can validate a form using a JavaScript. So this is a simple form: name, email, contact, password. These are 4 fields and the submit button. So this form is designed using HTML, CSS, some bootstrap. So my major area here is to how to validate this page using the JavaScript. So suppose if you do not enter the values in the input fields, if you submit this button, then it will show the alert message, please enter the details, right? So this form, how we can validate using JavaScript, we will see. So this is the one as simple HTML, right? And these are two up. Suppose let first see. So this is a simple HTML form. This is a simple form: name, email, contact, password, and this is a submit button, right? This is simple HTML form, and this form name is my form, and this is on submit. This is important. So once you submit this form, then it will validate this form. So for the validation purpose, we are using the JavaScript. So here, this is your JavaScript. Within the script, so we create a function validate form. So in this function, we are initializing variable x equals to document.forms. So this is a form name, this is the form name, this is the form name, and these are the fields of the form: first name, email, contact, password, then dot value, right? After that, we are checking if x is equals to empty, then it will show the alert message, please enter the details. So this is the if it is successfully authenticated, then we will redirect to the another page, that is action.php, that it will redirect to this page. So let us see. So as we have seen that if we do not enter any value, then it shows the alert, please enter the details. If we enter the value, suppose demo test @gmail.com. suppose if we do not enter the contact number, then what will happen? Then it will show the alert message. So if we enter the suppose contact details, and if we do not enter password, then it also shows the alert message. So now enter the password, and if you submit this form, then it will use the JavaScript validation, right? So form is successfully submitted, right, by using the JavaScript. So if we create one more field, suppose we create one more field, address. We create one more field, address, right, and we will use address into the JavaScript form here. In double quotes, we will use this value name and save. Now refresh this page, you will see this address. One more field is added, address. So if you insert the value abc test@gmail.com, contact, and insert the contact, then password. Suppose if you do not enter the address, and what will happen? Then it will show the alert message, right? So if you enter the address, suppose USA, suppose India, and after the submit button, if you do submit, then it will validate the form, then it will redirect to the next page. So now you have successfully redirected to the next page. So this is the way you can use the, so by using this JavaScript function you can validate the form. So this is a simple HTML form, right? So thank you for watching the video. Thanks.